Hey folks, this is Jared with DirectIgniter.com. I'm here to show you our Traeger auger motor. This is a 2 RPM auger motor. Most Traegers come with a 1.6 RPM, so it's a little bit faster than your stock motor. What this will do for you is it will help you get some higher temperatures out of your barbecue. The problem with adding a faster motor is your lower temperatures might be affected also. So if you're going to upgrade to a 2.0 auger motor, we suggest that you do have a control board that has the P mode. If you have a control board with the P mode on there, you can also adjust your timing for your lower temperatures to get one of these to work appropriately on the lower temperatures and to help you achieve those higher temperatures. So the 2 RPM is definitely good for guys that you want to get some more heat out of your Traeger, or you want some more quicker heat out of your Traeger. So when we sell these, they come in a box, and the fan we detach so it doesn't get broken during shipping. So when you receive it, just go ahead and pop your fan right on here. It's got a spline on it, you just shove it on there. This fan does not cool the motor. All this is a visual aid to help the customer or the barbecuer see that his auger is on. So if you see this spinning, it means your auger is running. If it's not spinning, it means your auger is off. Once again, it does not do anything for cooling your motor. So if it were to break on you or you didn't have one, don't worry, your barbecue's fine, you can still use it. As far as installing it and connecting it, it has one pin back here, and it slides into the auger rod and is connected to the auger rod via this pin. And these pins are made to break sometimes. If the motor is under stress, this pin will break, and it'll help you not break your motor. So make sure you have the proper pin, and we also sell those on DirectIgniter.com if you need one. And to connect it, all you do is take this red Molex and connect it to the red wire of your control board. Very simple, very easy to install. If you break an auger motor, don't worry, just go ahead and buy one, and you can install it yourself. These are no problem. Traeger's new design is free floating, so that means this auger is not connected to anything but that auger rod. It actually will sit there and kind of play around on its plate. So some of the older ones, the auger motor is actually connected to the barbecue, but on these it's only connected to the auger rod, and they have a free floating design. So this is our 2 RPM China made version. This is the same one that would come in your Traeger barbecue. These are made in China. They work really well, but they are not the best quality. We do make a higher quality, better one. It is our American version, made by Gleason and Avery. This heavy duty one is the same thing. It's 2 RPMs, but this is a much higher quality motor. So if you don't want to support China and you want to support that American made product, we do have that for you. Check down in the description and we'll have a link for this product for you. Remember, American made.